Since 1993, ADM has been committed to making great product the right way, with an ultra-streamlined supply chain and genuine compassion for people and the planet. We have prioritized innovative techniques and visionary thinking to make sustainability the smart choice for some of the world's biggest businesses. ADM is fully compliant with international social and environmental and quality standards, Worldwide Responsible Accredited Production, Business Social Compliance Initiative, Ecotech Standard 100. What sustainable means to us: a legacy of innovation, a commitment to the future. As leaders in fusing natural fibers with advanced technology, we partner with globally recognized innovators to create sustainable, ethical raw materials and earth-friendly fabrics with properties that customers demand, like four-way stretch. Bio-organic cotton, recycled cotton, modal and tensile, Refibra, Eco T400, recycled polymer fibers made from plastic bottles. An early pioneer of liquid dye technology, our insistence on pre-reduced indigo decreases hazardous chemicals usage by 70% compared with other conventional facilities. We are proud to operate one of the cleanest, greenest, and most technologically advanced textile and garment facilities in the world. We believe that a safe, modern, compliant environment makes for the best possible product. That's why we distress our denim with computerized laser technology, which enables us to create high-quality artistic effects while doing better by people and the planet. Our location near a major port means we think a lot about water. While the denim industry traditionally wastes a lot of water, we've invested in cutting-edge machinery that reduces water consumption by up to 80%. We've also swapped traditional wet finishing for clean, high-tech ozone finishing equipment, eliminating harmful enzymes while decreasing processing time and costs. Water usage in denim manufacturing. A typical pair of jeans, 100 liters of water. A pair of ADM jeans, 20 liters of water. What's more, 80% of the water we do use is treated and recirculated through our facility for secondary use. By the time a pair of our jeans leaves the facility, we've saved enough water to quench 40 people's thirst. And that's just one wash cycle. It all adds up to 2,500 people per day, 75,000 people each month, and 900,000 people every year. Our closed-loop solar power generation plant and in-house heat recovery systems generate all the energy our facility needs. Ultimately, our goal is 100% sustainability throughout the entire supply chain. And thanks to our hyper-efficient, vertically integrated infrastructure, we're nearly there. ADM is 100% self-sufficient. With our focus on artisan techniques and cutting-edge technology, Artistic Denim Mills uses a renowned legacy with a uniquely innovative outlook. We make denim that makes a difference for the people who wear it and the world we all share. Sustainable raw material plus sustainable processes equals to sustainable product.